Good and welcome to Enzi Money Making class. In today's video, I'll be teaching you on how you can actually receive money on Skrill and also how you can withdraw money on Skrill. But with the method I'll be teaching you today will just require you to send a link out there and then people can pay you with their cards. It's how much you do, but then they first have to register or log into their Skrill account to make this purchase. So without much ado, let's get straight down to business. So coming over to Skrill, you will need to click on send. Once you click on send, you go over to request money, and then let's say I need $50, and then you click on create link. So once you create your link, a link will be generated. Now you can copy this link or you can share this link to anyone on WhatsApp. So once your link has been shared, you'll see there that this person is asking you for some amount of money, and then you click on WhatsApp and you send it out. So once this is sent, the person receives the link and then the person can click on it. So I'll give you an example here. If the person clicks on it, he's taken directly to his browser. Now on the browser, he will have the opportunity of him clicking, he will have the opportunity, you see. So it tells me the person who has sent the money and the amount, and then I'll be asked to continue to pay. So once I click on continue to pay, if I have an account, I'll be asked to log in. If I don't, I'll need to register. So with that, the person can easily pay you with money and you receive your money on your account as soon as possible. So the next thing I want to show you on Skrill today will be how you can actually withdraw your money on Skrill. So when you go over to your Skrill app, now this request money is actually for those who are into e-commerce, who are perhaps trading and you need someone to pay you. So you can actually make use of this request money. So the next one I want to show you here is how to withdraw from Skrill. But please let me state this, okay? So you come over here, you click on withdraw. Now you can withdraw to your debit card, but take note that it might take up to 3 business days if you're using your debit card, and you'll be charged a fee of 7.5%. Meaning if you wanted to withdraw $100 from your account, you will likely be receiving about 92.5. So it all depends on the country where your bank account is located, and your withdrawal will be done. You'll be charged a fee of 5.79%. But if you actually have a foreign account or something, but make sure it's in your name to avoid issues, you can also do the same thing. So without much ado, if you're also interested in selling your Skrill funds, you don't want to wait for long and all that, I actually buy Skrill funds at awesome rates that are nice and quite attractive. So do holler me. You'll find my contacts and way to contact me in the comment section, and then so you can always be able to sell your Skrill funds to someone safe and you will get your funds effectively back to you. So thank you very much for watching. But before I wrap up this video, I just want to talk a little about the Mastercard deposit. One of the ways you can easily convert your Mastercard funds without having issues, it's when you do a deposit here, you come over here and then you click on crypto. You click on crypto. So once you come over to crypto, you simply buy whatever coin it is you want to buy with your, just simply buy whatever coin it is you want to buy. So you see here I'm asking to buy. So the moment I make my purchase, I click on buy. So I choose wherever I want my money to come from, and then I can write down 25 or 250. Now they'll tell me the amount. So once you buy the coin with your Mastercard deposit, you sell it back again. Once you're done selling it back again, the money will no longer be a Mastercard funds. It will now be seen as your normal Visa card funds. So you can always use this to purchase cryptocurrency from any merchant, maybe on Binance or whatever thing it is that you want. So it's as simple as that. you can always make headway with that. So thank you very much. I believe this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell. Thank you. And then also don't forget to join my telegram group, so you can always get awesome updates on videos I post.